Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com. Today we're taking a look at Rates for iOS. Rates is essentially a free application that has a really minimal UI and it focuses on one simple thing. Basically, it gives you the ongoing rates for currency. Now, I live in Japan and one of the common things I need to do is convert either US dollar to yen or yen to US dollar, and I need to know the current conversion rate. And this is a really simple, straightforward app. A lot of apps kind of have this built in. Sometimes you'll get like a 30 apps in one application bundle or something like that. But this is straightforward, simple, and it provides a really minimal and clean UI. That's what I really like about this. So you can see here you have all the currencies. If I pull down, you can see I can click into one and I can do the conversion here. So for example, I can click on US dollars and have these little calculators, and I type in a currency or a figure, and then I get all of those. I get that number converted into all the other currencies at the going rate. So for example, if I was to say that $5 in US equals, or sorry, $5. Sorry, go back, $5. I can now see it in all these other currencies. So for example, that's 485 yen. That's 3.7, 3.7 about, or in euro or pounds, whatever that may be. You can see the Canadian dollar, all of these other dollars here, and I can easily just again convert that, change it, whatever whatever way I want to go. Now, what's also simple about the UI is basically the menus and stuff, just a simple swipe. Swiping to the right brings up the appearance, and I can do the sorting here, so I can adjust how the currencies are sorted. So, for example, if I want yen to be at the top, since that's going to be my most used, I can do that. It has this nice little folding animation here as you swipe. I can change the visibility here. So you can see here I can activate all these other currencies here. I can deactivate some, activate some. If I want to keep it simple, have two currencies on there, I can do that. If I want to keep it, more complex, I can add a whole bunch. And it's really that easy. And then you have currency here. You also have calculator. I can just click on the calculator here, and then you can see here I can easily just what do you call that? Install. This is something you have to install here. But when you go here, it says rates calculator is not found on your device. You'll need to install it first, and it is a free install. Basically, it's just its own little calculator here that you can do little equations on and stuff like that. So that's cool. If you want to build that in, you can install that as a side as well. But again, just for a basic currency calculator, it's simple, straightforward. That's all I need it for. Again, I can type in any amount, and then I get that amount converted easily, like so. So $58 here. That's in yen. I can see how much that is. Or sorry, that's 58. Yeah, 58 US dollars. That's 5,631 yen at the current rate here. And that's really simple, really easy for me. And that's what I really like about it, because I can do it vice versa. Again, if I have 2,000 yen, for example, that's about $20.06, just about $20. So it rounds it out there. Really awesome, really cool, really simple and straightforward, and that's really what I wanted in the app here. And I can click out just to get all of the currencies here. So just a simple little thing here. And if you want to refresh it, maybe there's a different rate of the day as the rate does change for the currencies. You can refresh it the next day. Really easy to use, and again, it's just simple. If you need currency conversion, if you live in a foreign country, for example, or you just need to know the ongoing rates, maybe you have clients who work in different currencies. I know that's also a thing I have with my business. So this is really simple, straightforward, elegant app, and a really minimal design. This is Rates. You can find it for free in the App Store today.